sanding discs, all right. Craftsman makes them, all right. This is a 180, but it's sanding surface. When you sand, it's like you're using a 320, because of it being designed the way it is with this fiber mesh, okay. Um, like I say, the 180 in this fiber mesh is equivalent to 320, which means you'll be able to sand, get more use out of this because it's a higher grit. It's rougher grit, but yet it finishes when you sand like a 320. So you get a lot more usage out of this. All right. Let me show you what that looks like. This is for a 5-inch sanding disc, palm sander, and you just cut it to fit. All right. As you see, it's got holes in it. Let's turn the screen around. All right, let's put it up here to the light. And you can see. All right, so this is a fiber mesh sandpaper, which works great. Okay, and this is Velcro on the back. All right, so that works really well. Coolest boy, Bon Han, thanks for being here. All right, now this is a custom little sanding disc. Let me show you something else. This is a something this narrow. All I got to do is cut this, because this is foam, all right, this is rubber. All I got to do is take this and put this on here, and then just cut it and make my own. All right, then I could take Velcro and put Velcro here, glue it here, and I basically would have the same thing as this. All right, but at Walmart here in America, this was $5. It was under $6 with this complete kit right here. All right, and you get a mixed sandpaper of 80, 120, and 220, which is a nice combination. All right, so let's see how the sands. All right, so you can see it. Okay. All right, you can see it smoothing out. Okay. That's on zoom. Okay. You can see where it's getting smooth and where it's rough still. All right, here it's smoothing out. Over here, it still needs to be sanded. I'm going in circular motions. All right, now we can see that it's also smoothing out. That's what we want. I'm going to have to fill this hole. All right, that's where there was a run, and I cut the run off. Now I'm going to have to fill this little area here. All right, and then as you look, let me unzoom this.